Good afternoon, folks. So, just wanted to give you a little rundown of what we got cooking over here. As far as the rig goes, let's see. I'm going to be moving these cabinets, maybe just one of them. I'm going to move one of these cabinets over into the studio room, and I'm going to be tracking some guitars as per usual. And I'm going to be using the Mesa Boogie dual rectifier, the Rev C. This is the early 2000s. This is the early rendition, one of the first 3-channel Mesa Boogies. Dual rectifier. There's only maybe, from what I understand, 500 of these made, tops. And this was the first 3-channel. They call it the Rev C. And it has the same... it has like the same circuit transformer as the early 90s Rev G. I could be wrong. Fucking correct me if I'm wrong. And it's a sick sounding freaking head. It's awesome. It's very rare. It's a rare head. So basically here's what we got cooking. 2 cabinets, 2 orange PPC 412s. This is a 2017. That's a 2022 cabinet. I've got a Marshall JCM 2000 head, which is essentially like a backup head. It's the 50 watt, the DSL 50 watt JCM 2000. It's a high gain head. It's a great backup head. I honestly am not a huge fan of it. I mean, it rips, it fucking cranks, it's pretty powerful. I'm trying to sell it, so I don't really need it. I would rather have a PV 5152. So, it's definitely not my main head. Dual rectifier is my main. The Mark V is my other main head, which mostly stays at home. So that's basically the rig. This is powerful. This rips. This is badass. This is the shit. This is fucking awesome. I love this setup right here. The dual going into 2 cabinets. It just rips. It stinky ass fucking rips. Here's the pedal board. We've got the foot switch for the dual rectifier. I've got a Maxon OD808 for a bit of drive when I'm ripping those channel 2 and channel 3 on the Mesa. Just gives it a little bit of a signal boost. And so we got a Crybaby wah, the Crybaby Classic. I have a Shure wireless unit, aka tuner. NS2 noise suppressor, an old ass flanger, an Ibanez flanger pedal. Who knows when this came out? Maybe the 70s. It's fucking OG as fuck. This is an OG Super Chorus. This is an old ass Boss Super Chorus, the CH1, and an MXR carbon copy delay, which is my favorite delay pedal. Analog delay. It rules. So we're gonna get this stuff set up in the studio room here in the back. I'm gonna be ripping some guitar tracks, messing around with some microphone techniques on the 412. And that's what we got cooking today. Today is April 1st, 2026. It's Wednesday, April 1st, 2026. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be working on. So yeah, whatever, dog. Whatever, dog. Whoops-a-daisy. Whoops-a-daisy. Arms.
Faulkner. Shitballs. Shitballs.
Alright, weird ass mic setup. Starting with this outer, the Sennheiser E906 right here. It's just sitting outside of the cabinet. Like it's not even in front of the cabinet. It's just outside. It's kind of a room mic sound is what I'm going for. We've got the Friedman style Shure 57s right there. 1 out of 45, one straight on to the side of the cone. Then we have a Neumann TLM 102 that's sitting on top of the cab, above the cab. I'm gonna try and get some room mic, also just some low end out of this one. And this C214 is not doing shit. It's just chilling here. It's not doing shit. Not plugged in. Not doing shit. So that's the setup here, boys and girls. Boys and girls. Take 3. Bubbles, little baby. That's a baby puppy. That's a baby. Bubble girl. Bubble girl, the baby. Whatever, dog. So I'm exporting this track. I added some drums and some bass. Here you go. Enjoy yourself. Maybe this will become a song. Maybe this will become a The Past song. See if the boys enjoy it. So it's a rocker and you're a talker. Face tracking enabled. That's what's up. That's what's up. Where's my dog? There's my dog. There's my dog. You see Bubbles? Bubbles in focus. Bubbles is in... Bubbo! Bubbo! Hey, puppy! Okay. Whatever, dog. Anyways, welcome to the fucking shit. Laid down some tracks. My audio was probably a little bit clipped. A little bit clipped on the audio. That was my bad. That was my bad, Chad. So, tracking a demo song with the Mesa Boogie dual rec. And turned out okay. Whatever. I'm excited about the sound that I'm getting from this miking situation that I got going on here. You guys see that shit? It's fucking crazy. You see that shit over there? It's fucking crazy, dog. Shit's fucking crazy, dog. Dual rec. That's the situation. Okay.